Hi, now we are going to see a Mastercam surface finishing toolpath, normal surface finishing toolpath available. About that we are going to see. Now if you go to menu and surface finish toolpath, surface finish parallel strip, radial, project, flow line, contour, shallow, pencil, leftover and blend toolpath. Okay. We are going to see one by one toolpath. So first we will start with the parallel toolpath. I will select one example which we have made in the previous class. Okay, I will select this. So this is uh, a small example I have taken for a surface finish parallel toolpath. So I will go here toolpath, surface, finish. I will select the parallel. Drive surface, I select the top one. And parallel toolpath doesn't need containment boundary. I say OK. Tool I am selecting ball mill, dia 8 ball mill uh, I select. And parameters, you can give the parameters here. I'll reduce the plunge rate to 500. I can change the tool number. Now we will go to next parameter surface finish. We will not keep any stock here. So here the parallel whatever the parameters we need to give here. The cutting method is either one way or zigzag. I am taking zigzag. 1.2 mm is the maximum step over. If you want, you can reduce to 0.25 or 0.75, whatever it is. And just I am regenerating. You can see that this is the toolpath. This is very good toolpath. So it's a one entry and one exit. You can see, and a very nice uniform uh, uh, uniform step over it has given. But one thing you should keep in mind: the parallel toolpath will not good result in the steep surfaces. So what is steep surface? The surface which fall between the 90 degree to 60 degree is called a steep surfaces. In that surface, parallel toolpath doesn't give the good result. All other normal flat and little curved area, it will give very nice toolpath. It will give very uniform step over and the surface finish will be very good. Mm. Here also you can keep one way also. So then you'll see that a lot of retractions are there because it has to cut from one direction only. So this is the uh, okay. So you'll see the in one way the cutting lay is in the one direction. If you want some little extension, you can do it. You can go here. So you can. So end condition you can see it here. So it is it's going very transition one step out another step over. It is going as a straight line. You can modify this by smooth. You can give and increase the tangential arc. Okay. So I just accept it. So now you can see that the transition. between one depth to another, sorry, one step over to another step over. So the smooth transition will take place, and a little amount of extension also will be there. So if you backplot and see, this is the entry point. Okay, I'll in between I'll just stop it how it is look. Step forward. I just want to show the place where the transition exactly happening. You can see that this is the point. So still the tool is not entering from outside. It is just touching the. It's not completely coming out of the surface. If you want better, it's better you can extend the surface little more. Here also you can modify. You can give it here little modification. So you can make a little bigger tangential radius. Length also will modify a little. Okay, let us see how it is. Uh, uh, yes, it is very much improved now. You can see here. So automatically the both the direction the tool path is extended. So now the tool is completely entering from the outside the surface. Angle you can give, so you can give angle 45 degree. Sometimes what will happen now, when you are cutting in one direction, there will be lot of retraction of the tool. That time if you modify your angle, so it will reduce your retraction. Okay, now you can see this is the 45 degree machining, angular machining. So if you keep 90 means it cuts in the horizontal, okay, sorry, vertical way. So opposite to the first one it will cut. So now the tool is cutting like this. This is the 90 degree. So according to your situation and demand, you can modify whatever the angle if you want. So this is all about the surface finish parallel toolpath. Okay. Otherwise, even if you want to extend this surface in both the direction, then you can do manually extend the surface. You can extend it. Okay, first from the solid to surface you convert it, surface from solid. Okay, I select it. Okay, so now at the top I selected a surface. Now I'll extend this surface. So we'll make it 10 mm extension. Okay, so all four edges I extended. So now by extending like this, the tool path no place it will leave material or neck to neck cutting. So it will cut entire surface area. Okay. So I just modified the uh, that try surface, and the remaining thing I am not doing anything. I am accepting the same. Okay. Cutting method I kept a zigzag. So now we can see that it has made very nice tool path. All the side it is extended little. So what is the additionally you are doing is adding some additional extension that will give a very good smooth surface tool path. Okay. Um, if you have any specific requirement of changing the start point, you can change it. Okay. In surface finish tool path, there is no question of depth of cut. Here the step over matters here. How much you reduce the step over, that much very good surface finish you are going to get. If it is a bigger step over, then you will get the rough surface. Okay. So, but based on that, your machining time also changes. In case of semi-finishing, you can give bigger step over. In the finishing, you can keep the lesser step over. Thank you.